Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're logged in and you've opened the short. Now act. Tap the comment field and start typing a concise line that explains why your link matters. Paste the full URL including https:// so viewers can copy it if it's not clickable. Once done, add one short call to action like "more details here" so the link isn't spammy. Make sure your comment is relevant to the short's content to avoid removal by moderators or algorithms. Now focus on how you present the link. Use a reputable shortener if the URL is long, but understand some platforms flag shortened links. Keeping the original domain often looks safer. Explain why someone should click. Mention the outcome, tutorial, download, proof. Once done, separate link and context with a line break or punctuation so viewers can quickly read and decide. Make sure to avoid excessive hashtags or all caps, which trigger spam filters, and post your comment and watch engagement for a few minutes. If you manage the channel, pin it to keep the link visible. If not, reply to early comments to push your comment up. Make sure to monitor for moderation or removal. Platforms may strip links or hide comments flagged as spam. If your link is removed, rephrase the context, remove tracking parameters, or use a more trusted domain. As a fallback, invite viewers to DM you the link to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.